Hello， 大家好。最近 fujifilm 呢刚刚 update 他们的 firmware to 4.0。So 如果你不知道 firmware 4.0有加什么的话呢，我可以跟你说一下。我只说 video 吧，它就加了 internal f-log， 所以有 record accordingly to 你的 internal f-log。So today right， 我来这里就是要 try out 这个 internal f-log， 试一下读一个 B-roll 的挑战。最近呢，我在淘宝呢订了一个新的 tripod， 买到来应该只有新币40块啊，所以今天也把它拿来试试看一下，不知道有多好。我现在就 unbox 了。Yunteng Video Tripod 就大概是这样子，开过来看一下。里面还有一个 bag 哦，没了，空了，就这样。开来看一下。Yunteng Tripod， 来一个 close up。Okay, so this is my B-roll challenge, and this is my first time using the XT2 filming at 120 FPS and recording in F mode. The B-roll, I tried my best, but I changed my perspective on B-roll and I try to capture what I think is the best. Okay, leave a comment below if you think there's things that I can improve, and also leave a comment below if you let me know what is good, what is bad, which scene is the best, which scene is the worst, and yeah, like if you like it, dislike if you dislike it, and if you want to subscribe, please subscribe. Thank you, see you next time.